Is your garage door making grinding, squeaking, or rattling noises? These sounds can be a sign of needing lubrication, worn parts, or misalignment, disrupting the peace in your Primbee home. Don't let a noisy garage door become a daily annoyance. Call 0409774111 today to get fast, professional garage door repair right in the Primbee area. Our team of experts will ensure your garage door operates smoothly and quietly. Act now to restore the tranquility of your home. Contact us for a consultation and say goodbye to garage door noise.